Hello YouTube, I'm just going to show you my first ever fireworks stash video. Okay, start with the small stuff and then we'll go big. Here we got some sparklers, TNT, got 4 packs of those, some poppets, some pull string, fireworks right there. Over here we got some smoke balls, those are always fun to have. Here we have some fuse, tie firecrackers together. Here I got mostly Wolfpack firecrackers, but I got some Thunder Bombs, some Beast crackers, some more Thunder Bombs, bag of loose firecrackers here. Here I got some Triple X brand firecrackers. These are really, really loud. I love these. I got a lot of these. I got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17 of those. Package of those, wide view. Here, got some Wolfpack missiles. Those are pretty fun. Bottle rockets, Wolfpack. Got some Wolfpack right here. Some Moon Travelers, classics. Here I got some. These are really, really cool. They're called Ultimate United Pyro Rocket Pack. These ones right here are pretty big. Then you got the littler ones like this. And here I like to call these like a mortar shell on a stick right here. Those are pretty big. Got some 10-ball Roman candles, some magic crystals, a plain sparkler bomb, and a 25-shot Saturn missile battery. And last, I got some M60s. Those are pretty loud. I like them. This one, they got 2, buy one get one free. Bag of 600. That one's probably got 400, but that one's full. That one's got 600. Alright, well that's my fireworks stash. Thank you for watching.